It is freezing here in Croatia, and if you have an older car like me, you might notice that it cranks slowly. Takes a long time to start or it doesn't even start at all. Well, there are a few tricks you can try to diagnose if your car battery is going bad. There is some chemistry behind why your car battery performs worse in winter, but we are not going into that in this video. We just want to know if our car battery is going bad. Besides engine cranking slower, there are a few other signs of a battery going bad. Like for example, when you try to start a car and all the lights dim down a lot, that might mean your battery is going bad, but there are a few ways to see if that is really the case. One of them being this: you can use your multimeter to check battery voltage, but you have to measure the voltage while you crank your engine. And for that, the analog voltmeters work better because the digital voltmeters take time to measure, and if it's too slow, it might not read the lowest voltage your battery has given. If you want to be extra sure, you can always get one of these. This is a battery health tracker and analyzer, not sure the specific name. I am not sponsored by the company that makes this one is not even mine, but it is so easy to use that I had to show you this. This device does everything for you. It measures the voltage under the load, which means that it simulates engine crank and determines if your battery is capable of delivering required current to your starter. You input your battery crank current rating, which is in my case 640 amps, and if device measures below a certain threshold, it tells you to replace your battery. Simple as that. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and press that bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.